Hey, what's going on? This is Rob with Custom Grillz Inc. And if you want to know how to make $200,000 making grills a year, then watch this video all the way to the end, and let's see if it's true or not.
If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
What's good, YouTube? So, a lot of people got questions out there and wanted to know if you can make a full-time living off of just selling grills. And I'm gonna give you the answer to that. And the answer is yes. A lot of people think that you can do it, and they think that, no, you gotta sell jewelry as well, but you can. There's a difference between people that just sell jewelry and the people that just sell grills. And the guys that sell jewelry, they just started to incorporate grills into the inventory. Now, people don't go to them just for grills. You know what I'm saying? They just get the grills only because they there. You know what I'm saying? They primarily there for jewelry. So when someone just looking for grills, then who you think they're gonna search up? Yeah, they're gonna search up the guy that sells grills only, not looking for jewelry or nothing like that. But they calling the guy for the grills, just for grills. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't like, oh, I gotta sell jewelry and sell grills, you know what I'm saying, to really make money. Like, no, man, they gonna come to you. There's a lot of people out here looking for grills. Like, it just depends on what state you in. You know what I'm saying? What part of the area you in. You know, what's the demand? I made so much money selling grills, I wasn't even selling jewelry. Before I got into jewelry, I was selling grills. You know what I mean? My first year, I made like 200,000 just by selling grills. You know what I mean? You could sell grills with diamonds, some without diamonds. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, you got to make that quota. You know what I mean? You can make a quota and say, hey, I need to sell at least 30 grills a month or 50 grills a month. Or if you're starting out like 20 grills a month, at the end of the day, that shit adds up. And the way that it adds up, because you're going off the carats and the number of teeth people want to order. You know what I'm saying? The only way you really make some money is by making them yourself. I'm going to tell you that. You know, if you wholesaling, if you out there wholesaling, I give it to you. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got nothing against anybody that's out there wholesaling. I was still looking out. I was wholesaling for people. But you got to cut the middleman out, though. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, because he cutting off half of that. So that's what made me make my own grills, because that's 100% all mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here walking, by the way, getting a little exercise. It's real. I ain't saying it's easy. The job is not easy, man. I'm going to tell you, juggling, being customer service, and also trying to make the grills is difficult. It's hard, you know what I'm saying? You just got to man up and start hiring people, man. Become the boss. Hire people. Start telling other people to take them appointments, man. Tell other people to go ahead and do the modes. You get them, you knock out them grills, man. You get all that money. All right, I got a quick equation, small equation for you. Like I said, if you try to make a quota about 30 grills a month, if you calculate, some people got grills, they charge for like 150, 180, whatever. But if you got it at the retail price like $300, then you do 300 times 30, and that's 30 for that month. That's how many grills you molded up. That's how many you made. You know what I'm saying? You went and made them yourself, all manufactured by yourself. So you sold 30 grills, and I'm just gonna say standard 10 carat. At $50 a tooth, making that $300 a pop for 6 teeth and 10 carat. So you got 300 times 30 for the month. That makes 9,000. You just made 9,000 that easy in a month just by making the grills yourself. You know what I'm saying? So you do that equation yourself, right? In your head a couple times, you think about it. So if you were doing wholesale and all that, like I said, I got nothing against anybody doing wholesale and everything. But if you calculate that you did 9,000 for the month, but you got to cut that in half with your wholesaler, what you think you got now? If you want to really get money, and like I said, take care of your family, provide for them, you can just straight up only sell grills and make money. Like I said, man, there's guys out here making money. I'm making money. JoJo over there making money selling grills. Like, but you know what I'm saying? It's all about making them yourself. You just gotta want the will to succeed. You know what I'm saying? But if you wholesaling all the time, all your life, you ain't gonna really reap the reward. Like, honestly, a lot of my customers that I talk to, they love that I be the jeweler behind it. Because if you think about it, a lot of people don't really have respect for people that like do the middleman thing and that's telling other people that they need it done, because they want people to have control over everything. And when you say, yeah, I'm gonna make them, I got you, I'm gonna make them how you want them, they love that, man. It's customer service, man. I'm telling you, you make a lot of money when people know that you're making that stuff. What they're gonna do is they're gonna say, yeah, he gonna handle everything for you. I believe in him. Hey, go to him for that, because that's the business you want. You want referral business. You know what I'm saying? So learn how to make the grills, get your clientele, you know what I mean? Good customer service. And then at that, you can also do your own wholesaling for other people. So you got money coming from that. So that's only 30 grills for the month. That's a little bit. So if you really want to get money, and that question you had in your head is if I can really make grills, can that really be a career for me? Can I really do that and live a life off of selling grills? Then do that. Start making them yourself. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I offer in the DVD, it's a training DVD. It teaches you how to do everything, man. I teach you how to do everything from wax to casting to finishing, polishing, all of that on the DVD. That's where you need to start at. A lot of people think that it's gonna be too expensive and you buy the equipment. I got a little blog in that too in the video telling you there's ways of getting around that without even having all the equipment. But those that want to succeed, get the DVD, start learning how to make your grills, and start really getting all that money. So I hope I answered your question. Yes, you can make a full-time living off of selling grills. But just let me know what you want to do. So don't forget, cop up that DVD now.